Hello, my name is John Gibbons and I run a company called the John Gibbons Bodymaster Method, which focuses on face-to-face and online physical therapy courses. The next one in the series is a course known as the Advanced Soft Tissue Techniques. This course will make up part of the Bodymaster Method diploma here, which encompasses 10 individual courses. The soft tissue technique you will learn will vary from muscle energy techniques, myofascial techniques, where we will focus on the anatomical areas of the body using a particular brand known as the Songbird wax. I will also teach you soft tissue release and positional release. On completion of the course, you will automatically be emailed your certificate. This will allow you onto the Bodymaster Method Practitioner program, where once you've completed the 10th course, you will be classified as a practitioner under the Bodymaster Method, and then that will allow you recognition and also to be posted on my website as a qualified practitioner where people are able to contact you. I hope you enjoy the course and thank you for watching this video.